You will learn how to access all the photos you have on your Google Drive account in just few clicks through the web application. The first step is to launch a web browser. It can be Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. But here, let's work with Google Chrome. As the browser opens, visit drive.google.com. If you are prompted to sign in, please do so. You can see the web link here, drive.google.com. So I will press the enter key of my computer keyboard. Once you're here, you'll be landed on the home tab. Click on My Drive. This gives you access to all the files and folders you have on your Google Drive account. The next step is to click on Type. Then select Photos and Images. This gives you a list of photos and images you have in your account. So to access any, double click on it. If you want to access the next one, keep on clicking on this arrow. Look at this beautiful lady here. Keep on doing that. And these are all the 3 photos I have in this account. So let me close that. If you want to see the preview of all the photos so that it will make it faster for you to get to anyone you want to get to, click on this grid layout. You can see, I can see the preview. If it's this one I want to open, I can double click on it and it opens. Or maybe I want to download any, I will just click on the 3 dots and then select the download option. If this helps, consider subscribing to this channel, okay? By hitting the subscribe button, hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Here we cover a lot on information technology, so subscribe to learn more. Thank you and see you some other time.